Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, it has been a while since I uploaded my last video. Guys, I was busy with my master's dissertation. Let me put it this way. I'm almost done with that. And I believe by next week, Monday, that project will be submitted for marking. So, during the report stage of it, I encountered a simple and just a very simple problem that I would like to share with you guys. When you are writing a report on Microsoft Word, once that report has to do with numbering the pages, you will definitely, encounter this problem, most especially when it has to do with, starting the numbering from a specific page. You will surely encounter this problem. So, how do we number a page? Or how do we number our report starting from a particular page? It is a very simple thing. But if you don't know it, you might, struggle. You might struggle with that. So, without wasting much of your time, and please, after watching this video, if you like what you watched, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on that red subscribe button below your screen on the right hand side to support me. Thank you in advance. So let's get started. Here we have how many pages? As you can see, we have 6 pages, 6 pages, but the last one is blank. So how do we number these pages so that the first page we start the number, let's say number 1, we start from the introduction, and this particular page, the cover page, MSc dissertation, that is the cover page, and the abstract page, we're not gonna number them. The numbering will start from this page with introduction. So how do we do that? Look at what we should do. Go click on the first word on that particular page you want the numbering to start. So here we have introduction. I will click here right before the first letter. You can see. So after that, go click on layout, then go for breaks, click on breaks, then scroll down to next page, click on next page, then after that, go for insert, up here, click on insert, and then go look for page numbering. Let's go here. Here we go. Click on page number. Click on page number. Then where do you want the numbering to start? At the top or at the bottom? It depends. So let me go for bottom, or let me go for top, and then let me go for the left hand side of the page. This one is the middle, right hand side. Let me go for left hand side. I will click. So have a look. You can see instead of our introductory page to start with number 1, you can see number 3 there, because what it did is that the numbering started from the first page here, where we have the cover page. You see number 1, here is number 2, and here is number 3. So what we should do right now is to go to page number here, up here, click on page number, then go for format page numbers, click on that, then go select start at. Then we want the page now, this introduction page, the introductory page, to start with 1. So select 1, just type 1 and click OK. So have a look, we have 1 here right now, but have a look at the other pages up here. You can see we still have 2 here and we still have 1 here. So what should we do? Very simple. What you have to do is to, you see this link to previous here, just click on it to uncheck it. As you can see, it is checked. So click on it to uncheck it. It's unchecked. So right now what you have to do is to you can see we have number 3 here. Where do we have our introduction? So what you have to do is to, so our introduction, we have 1. So what you have to do is to go highlight and delete. Highlight these 2, not our introduction introductory page, like what we have here is 1. Then this 2 unwanted pages, the MSc dissertation and the abstract page, they are unwanted. Just highlight and click on the delete key on your keyboard, the delete key, so to delete them. Once you click on delete key, that will disappear, and this one as well will disappear. So we don't have that 1 here and we don't have that 2 here any longer, but we still have 1 from the introductory page. So what you have to do is just to click, just click outside to get rid of that. So as you can see, our numbering started from this introductory page. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. But what happens? You can't submit your report when you have maybe a blank page included. What you have to do is to get rid of any unwanted page, like this blank page. How do you do that? Very simple. Here you can see this. It is called a paragraph mark, or a pilcrow, Pilcrow, P-I-L-C-R-O-W, Pilcrow, or a paragraph mark. So click on that Pilcrow. Then what you have to do is to go to that particular page you want to get rid of. In our own case, this last page, just highlight all the Pilcrows on that page to the end. Highlight all of them, and then click on the, hit on the delete key on your keyboard, the delete key on your keyboard. As you can see, that page has been getting rid of. So what you have to do is to click back on the Pilcrow to uncheck it. So click back and we are good to go. So we have how many? Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So that is it for this video. Please, if the video is helpful, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to support me, and click that like button as well. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.